Hi guys, welcome back to g3fashion.com, and today we're going to learn how to drape a sari in variations of a Marathi or a Kasta Saree. So I'm going to show you two different ways you can do this, and you can always use a cotton silk or a silk sari for this, including a nauvari sari can also be used. Now without further ado, let's quickly move on to the video and the style draping.
So to start draping a Marathi or a Kasta Saree, all you have to do is put on leggings and a blouse or a top instead of a petticoat. So now start by draping the sari on the left side, and I'm taking the back edge over here as you can see, and I'm going to keep a little bit of fabric, which is 1.5 meters of fabric on the left side, and we're going to tie a knot here in the center like this. Now take the left side of the sari from the top edge like this, and you're going to drape it across your leg, the left leg. Take the whole sari around it from the back and pull it out at the back like this. So you're making a dhoti drape over here. So pull the sari out like this. Now hold the border as you can see, and I'm going to be making pleats on the widthwise section like this. Just even them out that the back front border falls up at the front side like this, or on the top side. You can use pins to secure and tuck in the back side. So this is your kasta. I'm just arranging it properly over here. Now come back to the front side, do the same with the right side of the sari fabric on the right leg. Take the sari underneath and bring it back like this. Now all you're going to do is make sure that the drape is proper at the ankle, and I'm just making pallu pleats or widthwise pleats. I've pinned it at intervals like this. As you can see, you want the front border to come on top, and you're going to pass it through the knot from the top like this and bring it underneath. So take the whole pleats outside like this. Now I'm just making the front pleat or the front border come out like this at the back or at the side like this, and I'm just tucking it roughly, and I'm arranging the pleats like this so the inside border falls out, hides the knot inside it, and I'm just going to use a pin to secure it over here as you can see. Now take the sari edge from the inside of the other pleats, and you're going to make pleats over here, 2 to 3 pleats on the back side just to cover up the drape, and I'm going to tuck it underneath the kasta drape. I'm pinning the pleats over here, and I'm again putting the kasta on top of it, so covering the pin as you can see. Now take that whole sari part and pull the sari palla from the back to the front like this, like a Gujarati drape, and pin it at the shoulder. Now just take the whole sari like this on your wrist or your elbow, and that completes the look of a variation of a Marathi sari drape. So for the next, again we are taking the sari, doing the same process, tying a knot in front, leaving or 1.2.5 meter fabric on the left. Take it underneath from the left side, creating a kasta over here. Now this time you're going to take the lengthwise, and you're just going to tuck it like this and pin it over there. Now come back to the front, take the fabric which is on the widthwise section, make pleats there, and you're going to be draping them across your front waistline like this and tuck it in your waistline. Repeat the same process on the right, take it back, pull it up over here and make 2 to 3 pleats on this side and tuck it in your back waistline like this properly. So this is what it's going to look like as you can see. Now take the remaining fabric which is the widthwise section, make pallu pleats over here. Pinned it at intervals, and now you're going to drape it directly like a navy sari on the left side of the shoulder, and you're going to have a cowl like this on the side, and you can pin it over here, and that completes the look of a variation of a Marathi sari drape.
So guys, that's all from us on how you can wear a sari into two different ways of variations of a Marathi sari or a Kasta Saree. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see more styling videos, and we also have the traditional drapes of a Marathi and a nauvari sari on our channel. You can check it out in the description and up here as well. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.